Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This time I'm going to show you Frisian that you can get it from frisiansite.com. This is a very useful tool that really can substitute WordPress. If you don't need a specific feature or very powerful blog, I recommend you to use this. You just have to follow those simple step by step that are very clear and detailed. So at the end you will copy at some point this code that here. You just have to introduce your domain, your Notion URL that you can get it from here. Then it will generate for you this code. Then you just have to continue till the end to create your own website that you could use it as a blog. So in this code, as we can see, you don't have to touch actually anything of this code. Just go to the beginning. So you paste your domain, the slug to the pages that you can get from, again, Notion here, and you get from here. Then you introduce the SEO in the step 3. If you want change the font, just get them from Google Fonts. As for example, I use Montserrat. Then if you need to add some custom code, for example, for analytics, just add them in the step 5. At the end, you will get a working website that is actually what you have in Notion. If you don't know what is Notion, Notion is a productivity app that allows you to create notes, also track a lot of things. We can check, for example, in template, what you can do with Notion. So here, as you can see, we have a sort of Trello. That means a Kanban board. But not only have this, you can create for anything. I mean, list, task list, also for any categories. So you can create your own knowledge base, to-do list, job board, and it's so easy that you can make any modification here. Just like this, I added cool, and from my site I'm going to the blog, and in real time it's updated. So well, if you really don't need specific or powerful feature, you just want to share your diary or information, anything on the web, I think this is the best option because you can actually edit easily from Notion and update and synchronize directly to your website without any hassle. And it's also free from hosting because it's hosted on Notion, so it's free for you, and you only pay if you want a custom domain. Otherwise, you can take one from Freenom, where you can get a domain for free. So it is all. Hope you enjoy it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.